Hello, kids. Steve coming back at you with Saturday morning cartoons. Well, what a better way to start your Saturday than with some really oddball stuff from me, your local oddball. Let's go from 92 to 09 in reverse, of course. So, some of these you've never seen, some of them I've never opened. So, we'll both be in this together. A couple of them you've seen, and a couple I have opened. But I've never opened the Angry Birds. That's right, these are actually from Spain. It says, yep, made in Spain. These are 2009. So I figured, let's see what we got. I've never opened them. They may be cool. They may not be. It says 8 stickers, autocollants, whatever that means. So let's get into this. Yada, yada, yada. I see shiny. I wonder if that's from the movie. I've never seen the movie, so I don't know. That's number 55. We'll get to that one later. Oh, there's more than one foil. Nice. Okay. Dreaming of a big guppy bird, I guess. There's one of our pigs. There's a whole bunch of our pigs. We have a witch bird and a ghost pig. Ghost pig. Oh, I don't know, maybe I was holding it the right way. Huh, interesting. Now, the 2 foilies, which surprised me. We have King Pig, do the Ziggy Piggy, do the Ziggy Piggy, and Bluebird. Sorry, I had to do a little Wayne's World reference there for us. We have Ophidian. No idea what these are. It says contains 11 additional Ophidian cards, collectible card game. I don't know anything about them. If you do, you can always drop some knowledge to everybody down in the chat. Well, they definitely have a feel and almost a look like magic. The artwork is pretty cool. We have Stealth Attack and Siphon. He is a pump gladiator. This might be an adults only game. Breeding Larvae Fields. That definitely might be an adults only game. For the mighty. Madame Petite. Gladiator. Artwork's not bad. I have seen a lot better, though. We have Ironsides, a cyborg agent. Dun, dun, dun. Lockjaw. Yeah, that's probably about right. Boon of Earth. Well, if that's the Boon of Earth, we're screwed. Sonnet. Zidantal's Gift, which apparently is an arm he's using to scratch his own head with. And Suffocation. Yeah, that's how I feel when I'm in a relationship to that guy. Don't worry. Oh, no, it don't get better. It just don't worry because it ain't going away. Trying to see if anything gives away the rarity of these. It doesn't, that I can tell. Again, not bad cards, just no nothing. How about a little Maverick the movie? I know you've seen a ton of these because I have a ton of these. I just love me some Jodie Foster and some James Gardner, and when they hang Mel Gibson. Oh, speaking of, aw. Kimosabi. That ain't right. You can't say that. No idea. Yeah. Damn it, they gave him a gun again. Focus. Focus on his gun. Oh, yeah? I have 2 guns. I'm twice the man, Mel Gibson is. Yes, you are, James Gardner. Here, give me a hand. No, not the gun, you dimwit. All right, no crumbs in there. Let's try a U.S. Olympic Cards Hall of Fame series. We're looking for the pre-Caitlyn Jenner card. The I almost recently died Mary Lou Retton card. She is out of ICU and doing much better, apparently. Among a lot of people in here that TTM, and I've seen a lot of YouTube channels actually send these cards and get them back TTM'd. Patricia McCormick. No relation to Maureen, I'm guessing. Tenley Albright. Colonel F. Don Miller from, where's that? Wisconsin? PC hit. PC hit. Oh, that's cool. Jim Thorpe. And a pre-Caitlyn. We got him, her. The U.S. Olympic hockey team. Yep, the 1980. Nice, nice. The 64 U.S. Olympic basketball team. Let's see if it tells who was on it by chance. Da, 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 da. It just said the offensive stars were led by Lucius Jackson and Bill Bradley, both of whom averaged 10 points a game, and Jerry Shipp led them all with 12.4. Oh, we have Babe. Back then, that passed for a babe. Uh-oh, backwards card. What? What? And it's actually a numbered card in the set. Distinctive achievements for pole vault wins. First swimmer to beat 1 minute. Speed skating wins. That's a dumbass card. That's going to you, bud. Tommy Cornell. Not cornhole. Keep your mind clean. The 1980 U.S. Olympic hockey team again. They have a lot of cards in this set. Well deserved, in my opinion. Don Scholander. We have W. Perry O'Brien. Oh, look, another 1980 U.S. Olympic hockey team. Told you. Well deserved, gentlemen. And Charles Daniels. Not Charles Darwin, but he did evolve from something. All right, guys. I have one more pack and one more pack to go. It shall be those dreaded Indiana Jones Chronicles, going all the way back to 1992. Same year as the Olympic cards. And I think the Olympic cards probably were better than this, but we'll see. 2 people talking. Nice, nice, nice. Hey, trying to give him a hand. That's a cool gesture. That's nice. Leave him be. He's gonna die. I'm not quite dead. Oh, that's cool. Very nice. Put her there, not Mel Gibson. Thank you very much, not Mel Gibson. Oh, look, he's doing his best of Teddy Roosevelt tonight at the museum. Now the kid wants to try it. Oh, wee, oh, wee, oh, oh, wee, oh, wee, oh. Oh, there's our 3D one and 3D glasses. Not going to punch them out, but punch that out, put these over your eyes, and this goes boing. And we have a German East Africa, which I know Germany occupied a lot of stuff, but really? Okay. Different. So you're supposed to be able to find that stuff here. Yep, there's the key, there's the bugle. Okay, that is. Fun, fun, fun. Little daddy takes a T-bird away. All right, kids. Thank you for allowing me to come into your house and goof around for a little bit. Thank you for indulging me. And you know what? Have a great rest of your Saturday. We'll be here tomorrow with Sunday shout outs. And above all else, peace.